Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel YouTube Yan Blue 78. Hari ini saya sedang kedatangan tamu. Ada Cindy dan ada Lisa juga di sini. Mereka satu negara, yaitu dari New Zealand, right?
That's
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Hari ini saya ingin memperkenalkan pada mereka makanan tradisional yang ada di Indonesia. Nah, kebetulan di sini ada lumpia, ya lumpia. Kemudian ada risoles. Risoles ini kayaknya bukan Indonesia lah istilahnya. Di sini ada kura-kura, apa ya? Kura-kura ya. Kemudian ada kue lumpur. You know this one we call that kue lumpur. Lumpur is mud.
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 Oh.
Yeah, like sand.
Yes,
Yeah, mud.
yes.
Nanti kita tanya-tanya gimana reaksi mereka pertama kali makan makanan tradisional sini. Oke, kita langsung ke Cindy.
Ya.
So, we call that lumpia, Cindy.
Mud as well.
No, no, not mud. No, no, no. It's just a name. What do you think the taste?
Yum.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yes. Yummy.
How about you?
Very tasty.
tasty.
Very tasty. Yeah, very tasty.
That one's good
Uh-huh.
with the sauce.
Ya, saus.
Ya.
Dia bilang apa ya? Gurih. Katanya gurih. Gurih. In English is tasty.
Tasty.
Tasty. Yeah.
Tasty,
All right.
Yeah.
And would you like to try this one? This is quite sweet.
Okay.
I think inside of this cake is what do you call that? There is coconut inside.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut and
Yeah.
rice.
Which one do you like? Yeah. And this one is sweet too.
Okay.
Kue lumpur.
This one is sweet.
I think the same like lumpia.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
You
let's
can try all. You eat all, and then
Try
let
it.
me know. How do you feel?
So people.
Full.
This is traditional.
Yep.
This
Do not eat this one.
I was gonna
This is
say.
plastic.
Plastic.
Yeah.
Traditional sweet.
Yeah. Maybe you want to try this one?
Plastic.
Lumpur.
Yum.
Not too sweet though.
Yeah. Not too sweet, right?
Not too sweet.
How about that one?
Interesting.
Sweet.
Not too bad.
Mhm.
No. Is this what you call sweet?
Not too sweet, I think. No, right?
It's good. It says honey or
No. Just
Sugar.
put sugar.
cane sugar.
This one. What's that?
How do you call that? They made like this one. The green one. The green.
Ah.
This is we call that pandan.
Pandan.
Yeah, I think it's only in the tropics, not in your
Yeah,
country.
No,
No, I don't
no,
think so.
no.
So
No,
they put pandan.
Yeah.
This one, sorry,
Yeah.
this one's pandan.
That little bit.
This one,
Uh-huh.
but it's got it sliced.
Sliced up.
Yeah,
And put into the base.
yeah.
Nice.
So what do you think that one, Lisa?
Mm.
Good one.
Not too sweet.
Just
good.
Is this the first time do you eat the traditional food in Indonesia, especially?
Well, especially sweet. I haven't really had many sweets here.
Ah, all right.
Yeah, like nasi goreng or mee, but not sweets.
Oh, okay.
It's good.
How about you? Have you eat the traditional food before?
Not like
Traditional
this.
cake
no,
like that one?
No, not this. No.
This is
No, not very often. No.
this is the first time maybe.
First time. First
All
time.
right.
First time.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you always buy this for special occasion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I have a guest special guest like you, I introduce to this is our traditional food here. Let you know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
And
That's special.
you'd buy it.
Usually we serve that one if we have special occasions, like we call that small ceremonial for
Right.
for the guests. Usually something we do that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's nice. They have something similar in Thailand like this.
Oh, that one?
It's made with coconut in Thailand.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
It look like that
It
one?
looks green like that, but it's
Similar.
smaller. Yeah, it's
Mhm.
smaller.
Okay.
Yeah, and sweet. Sweet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Do they like really sweet things?
Yeah, they do in Thailand. Yeah.
So for your lunch, what about I will bring you to have rujak. Do
Okay.
you ever eat rujak? In Surabaya maybe?
Rujak.
Rujak is look like what do you call that? There are cucumber and also vegetable,
Mm-hmm.
fish juice,
Mhm.
peanut sauce. They mix.
Ah, okay.
Sounds good.
Mm.
You wanna try
Yeah, yeah.
for your lunch later?
Yeah,
All
okay. That sounds good.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Oke Lisa, saya penasaran. I'm so curious. Do you love that clothes very much?
That what?
Do you love that clothes very much? Your clothes.
Your
This?
clothes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because when I first met with you,
I was wearing
you
this.
wear that clothes,
Yeah.
and now you wear that one too.
Because I knew it was going to be hot,
Oh yeah.
and I was going to be with children as well. So.
I think Cindy is love much with
That dress.
the
But
dress.
you know, I've packed all my stuff up.
Uh-huh.
Everything's in boxes. I can't find any of my clothes in it. at the
Oh,
moment. It was
yeah,
the only
yeah.
thing I could find.
You can call it your Midori dress.
Your mama Dory dress it is. Nice and cool.
Oke, itu aja obrolan saya dengan Cindy sama Lisa sudah nyoba makanan tradisional kita di Madura. Bukan hanya di Madura sebenarnya, di daerah lain juga ada. Tapi mereka sudah nyoba, mereka suka sekali. This first time, right? Eat like this one,
eating.
ya.
Oh yeah.
Even though it look
definitely.
like in Thailand, what they say, ya. The
Yeah,
Kuih Lumpur, ya.
coconut,
But it
Yeah.
tastes different.
Tastes
Okay.
different. Yeah, it does taste
Alright.
different.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're
Let's go.
welcome. Very good.
Oh yeah, one more thing. What do you think about Meduris? This is the second time, right? Your opinion about the Meduris from Cindy.
Yeah. Friendly people, lovely children,
Uh-huh.
lovely, very polite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
All right. What
Yeah.
about you, Lisa? What do you think about Meduris? Because when you first time
Yeah.
in what do you call? You got travel with your car, right? At that time. We met. Kita ketemu ini kita ketemu tanpa sengaja ya. We meet each other, accidentally, yeah.
Accidentally with
And
the
then
car,
we
broken
made,
car.
yeah,
Yeah.
because of you got trouble with your car.
Yes.
Karena mereka punya masalah dengan mobilnya. Beberapa, I think a month ago ya,
Yeah, I
before
think about a month.
before Ramadan ya,
Yes.
sebelum bulan Ramadan.
Yeah.
And then what do you think about Maduris
Well-
when you were there?
Yeah, I realized that it's a very big island
Uh-huh.
and that there's many things to see.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right.
So you can keep coming back and finding more.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So after this we going to Telango Beach ya. Kita mau pergi ke pantai Telango bersama Cindy. Saya akan mengantar mereka. Saya akan menjadi the driver again today. But they are my special guests. Since before, yeah, until now, my special guests. They helped me, I help them.
Yes.
We help each other.
Yes.
I show you the Madura. You help me to my students, ya.
Mhm.
Oke, itulah pendapatnya Cindy dengan Lisa tentang orang Madura. Jadi intinya apa yang disampaikan tadi, kalau pengen tahu orang Madura, datang ke Madura. Ya, something like that. If you want to know Maduris, you come to Maduris. Not about the opinion. Ya,
Definitely.
ya.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
Thank you very much. Bye.